everyone, today I'm going to discuss choosing a niche is important or not in beginning. So I see a lot of coaches, they say that choose a specific niche, then only you can go ahead and attract high-end client. Well, I don't think so that's true. You can attract high-end client even if you don't have specific niche as well, because I think in beginning it's okay not to have a niche. Like you can help your ideal client in many areas, and your ideal client can have many issues, not just one issue. So I think it takes time to find out what is your niche, and it's okay not to have niche in beginning. And as my mentor Marie Forleo says, that clarity comes from engagement, not from thought. So you can go ahead and try different things and see like which works better for you and what problem your ideal clients are actually facing, right? And also I believe, like in my case, I help women in removing limiting blocks about money, and also in having great relationship, and also about body confidence and self-love, and also making them more happy. So I think one person can have 4 or 5 issues, right? So you don't have to go ahead and hire 3 to 4 coaches. You can hire one coach who can solve all your problem. And yes, and even if you are a new coach, it's okay not to have niche. You have to go ahead and see what problem your ideal clients are facing, and if they're facing 2-3 problems, you can go ahead and create content accordingly, and then you can go ahead and attract ideal client, right? So that's what I want to say, like it's okay not to have specific niche in the beginning. So if you're a fitness coach, then it's fine that you are a fitness coach, but sometimes like if you are new, then you have to go ahead and see like which is your specific area, or which is your niche, or if you think that you can go ahead and help in all different areas, I think you can. All right, so it's not important that you have to go ahead and choose one specific area only. I get clients where they have all these issues. Sometimes they have issue with mindset as well, and they have issue in relationship as well. So you don't have to go ahead and hire 4 to 5 coaches in different areas of your life, right? You can hire one coach who can go ahead and solve all problems. All right. And yeah, also I help of course in sales as well, so you guys know that. So yes, so I think like clarity comes from engagement, not from thought. So you have to go ahead and try different things and see like in which area you can help, go ahead and help them specifically. Like if you have lost weight, right, yourself 30 to 40 kgs, then of course your niche is you can go ahead and choose fitness as your niche. Like my sister want to be a great fitness coach, so yes, so you can go ahead and choose fitness as your niche. But like if you have overcome a toxic relationship, or you have gone through so many bad relationships, then you can be a relationship coach as well, right? So you have to go ahead and see like what is your pain, and how you have made that pain your power, right? Or what was your weakness, and you have turned your weakness into strength, and you have to go ahead and of course share your journey about it. So I hope I made it clear that it's okay not to have niche in the beginning. You can go ahead and try different things and see what problem your ideal client is facing. Okay, have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care guys.